Hey guys, welcome back to Six Sister Stuff. Today I'm making cracked chicken in the Instant Pot. So my name is Kristen. I am sister number 2 from sixsisterstuff.com, and every Monday I share with you a new Instant Pot recipe. So this recipe is called cracked chicken because it is absolutely delicious. This is also a keto-friendly recipe for all of those that have been asking for a keto recipe. Here you go. Now, if you don't eat keto recipes, don't worry. There's noodles that you can serve on the bottom so you can have your carbs with your cracked chicken. All right, guys, let's head on over to the Instant Pot and I'll show you how to make this easy cracked chicken.
So I'm gonna start with 3 frozen chicken breasts. You can use thawed if you want to. I'm doing frozen. I'm adding 1 cup of water on top, putting my lid on, make sure that the knob is turned to sealing, not venting, and I'm gonna push manual. Now you can push pressure cook button if you have that kind, but this model is manual button. Now frozen, I'm gonna go up to 25 minutes to cook my frozen chicken. If you have thawed chicken, you can do 15 to 20 minutes. Now when your Instant Pot is done counting down and it beeps, go ahead and turn the knob over to venting or quick release. And then when all of the pressure's out, you can go ahead and lift the lid up. Now I'm just going to go ahead and drain the liquid out of my pot, and then I'm going to shred my chicken. Now you can shred it with forks, you can shred it with a knife. These are the bear claws. I just get them on Amazon. They're called bear claws, and they are my new favorite tool. I got these for Christmas. Now when you're done shredding the chicken, go ahead and put it back into your Instant Pot. Now my Instant Pot is still on warm. I didn't turn it off or anything, so I can mix everything in. So you have 1 packet of ranch dressing, 8 ounces of cream cheese. Now I cubed mine so they would melt a little bit faster. A little bit of green onions, depending on how much you like. I love green onions. And then I cooked 6 pieces of turkey bacon. You could use like the pre-cooked bacon, whatever bacon you like, about 6 pieces, and then just chop them up. Now we're going to just mix this up. The chicken should still be really hot and the pot will still be warm, so you just keep stirring and the cream cheese will melt. I promise you that. Now while this cracked chicken was cooking, I cooked some egg noodles on the stovetop to make my life a little bit easier. So I just put my cracked chicken on top of my egg noodles. Now if you don't want egg noodles, you can eat this just plain or on top of salad. It is so delicious and so versatile. You're gonna love it. I mean, it has the name cracked chicken for a reason. Anyways, well, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I hope you enjoyed this simple, easy recipe, and come and check me out next Monday because I'll be sharing more Instant Pot recipes with you. All right, guys, see you later. Bye.